Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. I'm back with a surge update. It's been a minute since I talked about this project on my channel. How long ago did I speak about this project, man? It is absolutely rocketing out of here now, not without the drawdowns to shake out weak hands first, right? This market is extremely difficult, man. This was a month ago that I spoke about surge on the channel. That is insane. Look at that, man. A month ago, I spoke about Surge on the channel, and I dived into
Welcome
it.
back to
Did a deep dive into Surge, and what was the first time I spoke about this? Wow, it was at 5-6 cent, 5 cent at the time, and look at what happened, right? It was at around 5-6 cent here, right? It bled down to 3 cent, 3-1 cent, came back up, bottomed out around 3-7 cent, 3-8 cent, and now it's starting to break out again here. I think this is the real breakout, guys. I'm seeing whales FOMO it, not necessarily FOMO it. I'm seeing whales accumulate 15K buys, 20K buys in the surge. Remember when I spoke about this on the channel before? It has liquidity on all the three chains, the most active chains that people use: Binance, Solana, and Base. So what Surge does, if you need to go back and figure out what Surge does, is take a look at my previous videos. Surge is for the deep dive, I mean, but just to summarize, Surge is a company that was a Web 2 company that transitioned to crypto, that did like hundreds of startups in the AI space. They have partnerships with Google, they have partnerships with Circle. If you don't know, obviously Google, everyone knows Google. Circle, the company that runs US dollar stablecoin, USDC, right? And the founder is a Doc's founder, right? And he has, absolutely crushed it in the Web 2 space. And now they're going to do the same thing here by tokenizing AI startups in the Web 3 space, in the crypto space, right? If you take a look at the X, let me make sure I have the right X before I, dive in here. Let me make sure it's the right X, right? Go take a look. Just do your own research on Lab AI, which is the original company that acquired Surge, right? This company is backed by 100+ world-class tech partners. They did hundreds of hackathons, right? Hundreds of startups, developing startups, right? Hundreds of them. And now, as you can see, the platform is going live next week, right? So people are positioning before that takes place. Because when the platform does go live, that's when you're gonna see. This is the founder right here, right? That's speaking, right? Not gonna turn on the sound because I'm making a quick video so you guys can see this, right? But they've done so much in the Web 2 space, and now they're about to bring that to the Web 3 space. OpenAI, Meta, Nvidia. These are the people that they've worked with, right? With developing these different startups, guys. This is massive. Surge is massive. This is a massive project. Obviously they shook out all the Jeets first, and now it looks like we're ready to go, because once we break this previous high, I have a target of a billion market cap, maybe 2 billion market cap for Surge, right? Now obviously it could fall short. It could stop off at maybe 600 mil, 400 mil, anywhere in that range, but I think the upside here is still massive. So I'm bringing it back to you guys. I don't know if a lot of people are new to the channel, so they probably never saw the old videos. But obviously, do not FOMO in here, right? Maybe just get a tiny bit of exposure and DCA on dips if you see any dips, right? But I'm just giving you guys an update for the people that have held Surge for the longest, held through the drawdown, held through the pain, and accumulating through that pain. So, like I said, I think this is a massive gem here. If you can, do your best to get 10,000 Surge tokens, right? Which is around $668 right now. So look for pullbacks. Don't FOMO, right? If you want to onboard a rocket ship, maybe just toss in 50 to 100 bucks for now. And if it does pull back, you buy the dips. If it doesn't pull back, you have something invested. So if it just flies out of here, at least you make some profits, right? It doesn't have to be life-changing profits. At least you made some profits, right? So Surge is in a massive spot. The platform that I told you guys already, just go back in my previous videos where I did the deep dive. But the platform is going live next week. It's about to get crazy here. And all of these AI startups, right? Look at this. Our platform is powered by Lab AI, which acquired Surge, the largest AI ecosystem housing 240K AI builders. 240K AI builders, guys. That's crazy. It's crazy. 200 plus yearly hackathons and 4K plus AI startups. They also have $1 million fund that they'll be doing for the next hackathon, where the best builders have the chance to make $1 million, right? So man, it's about to get crazy here. I just hit my mic because it's so hype here. Surge finally started to pick up steam, man. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and never invest more than you're willing to lose, guys. Thank y'all so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.